Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering everything down and removing the controller battery to avoid shorts. Once done, clear a workspace and gather a soft brush, toothpick, compressed air, and 70% plus isopropyl. Make sure you have a small tray for screws and a clean cloth. You'll be using gentle tools first to avoid damage. Now position the controller face up and inspect the stuck button visually. This tells you whether debris, sticky residue, or a mechanical fault is the likely cause. Next, try non-invasive methods to free the button. Use compressed air around the button perimeter to dislodge dust, then brush away particles with a soft brush. If dirt remains, lightly dampen a cotton swab with isopropyl and rotate it around the button edge to dissolve grime. This evaporates quickly and won't harm electronics. Once loosened, press the button repeatedly to work residue-free. If the button still won't budge, move slowly to controlled prying methods to avoid breaking clips or plastic. If surface fixes fail, remove the controller shell with the correct screwdriver and keep screws organized. Once open, identify the button dome and plastic plunger. Clean the contact area and the underside of the button with isopropyl. If the rubber dome is torn or misshapen, replace it or flip it if reversible. Reassemble paying attention to clip alignment and screw torque. Test the button before fully tightening. If the problem persists after reassembly, replace the button module or consult a repair service for replacement parts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.